Good morning, guys. It's day 2 and our final day of staycation in Courtyard by Marriott Madurai. Just look at these remote controlled curtains. Please don't mind, but we really had some good time frolicking with these. I mean, who wouldn't? Before we head for the breakfast and show you the M Lounge as well, in case you have missed our previous video where I have shown you guys how we have spent our day 1 of staycation in the comfort of this 5-star amenity, you can click on the info card at the top right corner or can just check out the link in the video description. For those who are visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Akanksha, and if you want to tag along with me to all the exciting destinations I go to, don't forget to click on the subscribe button just below the video. Last night was pretty amazing for both of us in terms of the experience we had while witnessing Halloween special theme and spread. I don't know about you guys, but for me, it was for the first time I had been out on a Halloween night for dinner, which arguably made me this excited. For those who probably don't know what Halloween is, as per the legends, it marked a pivotal time of the year when the seasons changed. But more importantly, observers also believed that the boundary between this wood and the next became especially thin at this point of time, enabling them to connect with the dead. This belief is shared by multiple cultures across the world, with each of them celebrating mostly in the same time of year everywhere. So basically, the night is all about celebration and it's super fun. Every October 31st night, both children and adults slip into the costumes of ghosts and goblins and narrate tales of witches and ghosts. Pumpkins are carved into glowing lanterns, and children parade from one house to another, knocking on the doors and calling out trick or treat, hoping to have their bags filled with candies. Needless to mention, chefs and hotel staff have done full justice to the concept of Halloween, and the same was reflecting in their decor and the offerings. The only regret we would possibly have is that we didn't carry any Halloween special costume for the celebration to add more onto the vibe of the festive celebrations. However, it was fun to see a lot of local families visiting along with the kids dressed up at the night to add on to the festive vibes. For the sake of entertainment, they had a decent sized display to watch sports if you are a sports enthusiast. Else, you can just visit the spooky bar to have some more fun with a ghost like bartender. Presentation and nomenclature wise, offerings might sound a bit absurd, but full marks to the efforts entire Courtyard by Marriott Madurai team has put into to make the evening memorable for every guest who has visited this place that night. Although we visited the place in pandemic, we do not see any deviation from the COVID protocols followed by staff and all the guests who have visited the place that night. Having spoken enough about the night and the celebration for Halloween, the morning was no less beautiful as we headed for our breakfast with a pool overlooking view and a window breakfast seat. As you guys know, we love exploring all kinds of cuisines. We ordered everything from the menu, right from Western to the Indian, ranging all over from north of India to the south. Pool area was closed due to pandemic, else in normal days you can enjoy your breakfast or dinner along with your loved ones sitting in this area next to pool. Excluding lunch obviously, as the sun is on the top of head at that time. After having delectable international cuisines from the menu at Madurai Kitchen, we headed to the Marriott's famous M Lounge. Many of you who are the premium members of Marriott Bonvoy loyalty program would have visited it multiple times, but for those who are seeing this place for the first time, it's a lounge area where you can stop by for a casual breakfast, lunch, dinner if you are traveling or crossing the city. You can also grab some delicious freshly baked pastries, gourmet sandwiches, coffee, or other beverages to go before you head out to explore the city. It's a perfect place to mingle and network or just catch up on your reading. My overall experience at Courtyard by Marriott Madurai has been phenomenal. Do reach out to me in case you require tips and tricks to book a good staycation deal at Courtyard by Marriott. Before you leave, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button just below the video to let me know in the comment section in case you are planning to visit this place.